Hello, this is Connor Willens with Xorbix Technologies, and this is Flashcard Study Buddy. It's our newest mobile app designed to be a portable learning tool. At its core, it allows users to create and study flashcards anytime, anywhere. We've recently implemented a few major improvements such as syncing flashcards across your devices, and the one we're most proud of, the AI generation feature. Using GPT 3.5 Turbo, users fill out 3 simple questions and are sent a flashcard set on that topic. Before we get into that though, I wanted to give a general overview of the application. This whole app is written in Flutter, which is a language that allows for cross-platform development, so it's available on both iOS and Android devices. All flashcards and the sets they correspond to are stored locally on the user's device through SQLite, which is basically an SQLite Flutter plugin, so it makes the same reads and writes as any other SQL database. This also means the app is functional when offline, so you can learn wherever you are. So this is the main homepage when you launch the app. I already have a few flashcard sets made, as you can see, but you can create more by tapping this plus button on the top right. Once you give it a name, it'll create a blank set you can add flashcards to. After selecting which set you want to work with, you'll have the option to either create or study. Create is where you can simply view all the flashcards you've created under that set and add/update ones. We try to simulate the look of a physical flashcard, and by tapping on one, you can flip it around to view the back. But like I said, you can just review the set at your own pace in any order, practicing the cards you may have trouble with. The other mode, Study, is a self-assessed quizzing mode. It takes all the flashcards you currently have in that set and presents them to you. The idea is that you'll read the front, say what you think the answer or definition is, and then flip it over to see if you were right. If you were, hit the green check mark, and if not, the red X. It will go through the whole set, then present you with a score at the end. So this is basically what the app started out as, but we've added new features that really improve its capabilities. Users now have the option to create an account with us through Firebase. By signing in, you can sync the flashcards you've created to the Firebase database so you never lose them. That way, if you change devices or delete the app, you can just sign back in and they'll all be available again. So the local SQLite database and the cloud Firebase database work together to make your flashcards available whenever you need them. But by signing in, you are also able to purchase AI credits, which can be spent in the AI generation menu. Here, all you have to do is fill out the topic you want the flashcards on, so for example, US history, the difficulty level of the questions, which spans from preschool, the 12 grades, all the way up to a master's degree, and finally, the number of flashcards to create, which ranges from 5 to 20. Then, simply press generate and the app makes a call to GPT 3.5 Turbo, which sends back a chunk of JSON data that we then parse and separate into individual flashcards. A set gets created, named with whatever you put as the topic, and by going into it like a regular set, the flashcards will already be loaded in for you. We believe this feature alone makes ours stand out from other flashcard apps, as the AI generation tool can really improve learning for our users. Because when you're inputting questions and answers manually, you already become familiar with them as you were the one who came up with the question. So with this AI feature, it will randomly generate questions on that subject. Questions you may not be familiar with, which helps the overall learning experience. We're really excited about these new features and also just shows how expansive AI can be as a learning tool. Flashcard Study Buddy is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store, so check it out. Links will be in the description. But that's all from me. Thank you for watching.